Well, the ice cream man has come to Allen Drive. Chloe says her dream has finally come true. Can you believe it? Here she is.
Her name's Christina.
How about this?
You want ice
I'm
cream?
good, but thank you very much. Well, thank you for coming over.
Yeah.
Did you want a second one? Your parents gave me enough money for two.
Sure.
Oh,
Another one.
hey, look at that.
Put that away for later.
Oh, all right. I got
Thank you
two.
very much.
Yeah. You guys have a good one and we'll see you later.
You too. Thank you.
Bye, Chloe.
Bye.
Can you believe it?
What? Two.
Look at that. How exciting. There she goes. I don't think she's playing the music though. So probably doesn't want to disturb us old people. Who knows?
Well, you never know.
Yeah. There she goes.
Oh.
Can you play? Awesome. There she goes. Bye. Thank you. Wasn't that fun, Chloe?
I told you, Canton races.
What do you think?
Surprise for
Isn't
tonight.
that exciting?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye for
It is,
now.
by the way,
What?
it is July 11th, 2026. There it is.
Okay. Awesome. Bye for now.
Bye.